Okay, so Android Oreo has this feature called turn on Wi-Fi automatically. So when your Wi-Fi is off and you go near a Wi-Fi that you frequently use, it'll turn it on and connect to Wi-Fi. But for some reason, a lot of phones don't have this option. So if you go into Wi-Fi preferences, this is what you'll see. So I'm going to teach you how to turn it on. First of all, you're using ADB, so you have to go into your developer options and then turn on USB debugging. Okay, so first you're going to download the ADB installer. This is just because it's faster to install it this way. So after you download from all of these links, you just run it. And then you'll answer Y for the first one. Second one would just depend on if you want to install it for every single user on your computer or just you. N is just for you and Y is for every single user. And then yes for the drivers. So that's all done. So once you have all that installed, you're going to open command prompt. And then you're going to connect your Android device. Then you're going to type in ADB devices. And your device should show up. So once it shows up, you'll type ADB shell. From here, everything you're running will be happening on your phone. So first, you're going to turn on the global settings for Wi-Fi available. So setting put global Wi-Fi wake up available 1. So 1 means you turn it on, 0 means you turn it off. Right, then second thing, you're going to run enable it, and that should be done. So now if you go and check on your phone in your settings, Wi-Fi preferences, you should see that setting that is turned on.